Wonderful Nepal. So beautiful here. Okay, you are looking here. So nice views. You can watch and comment in this video. We are here. So its name is Narke. Narke. This that place is Narke. This small city. Okay, and here so top and mount and this way, and then this place high and top place is Pananse here also Mangaltar, and so beautiful. You can visit this place, and okay. Roshi. Okay, thank you so much everybody for the watching this video. um, how do you like this scene? You can comment on the this video. Okay, thank you so much. God bless you. Goodbye. Namaste.